Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be going over the lotus pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for updates on my latest videos. The lotus pose is a great hip opener and is good for correcting posture. The lotus pose can help increase circulation in the lumbar spine while keeping the spine straight. This pose can nourish and tone the abdominal organs. It can also strengthen and stretch the legs, knees, and ankles. The lotus pose calms the mind and increases your awareness, while also increasing the flexibility in your hips and can relieve menstrual cramps and sciatica. So, if you're looking for a yoga pose that helps to improve your posture while also stretching your lower body internally and externally, this is the video for you. So, let's begin. If this pose ever feels too challenging, some poses that you can practice before trying to get into the lotus pose are hero pose and bound ankle pose. I will put the links to both of these previous videos so you can try them while practicing to get into the lotus pose. To start, you will begin on the floor with your legs extended in staff pose. Bend the right knee and lift the leg up so that the sole of your foot rests on top of your left thigh. Using both hands to support the left ankle and foot, lift the foot, placing it on top of your right thigh as close as you comfortably can to the right hip crease. Continue to lengthen through your spine, sitting up tall. We will hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, release your left ankle and place it back onto the mat. Then uncross your right ankle and straighten both legs back into staff pose. Now we will do this pose on the left side. Just as you did with the right leg, bend the left knee and lift the leg up so that the sole of your left foot rests on top of your right thigh. Using both hands to support the right ankle and foot, lift the foot, placing it on your left thigh as close as you comfortably can to the left hip crease. Continue to lengthen through your spine, sitting up tall. We will hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, release your right ankle and place it back onto the mat. Then uncross your left ankle and straighten both legs back into staff pose. And that is how you do the lotus pose.